Welcome to this tutorial on creating a customized Coalesce function in JavaScript. Today, we'll explore how to create a function that returns the first valid argument based on a user-defined validation function. This concept is widely used in scenarios where you need to filter out invalid data and ensure smooth processing. The idea is to ensure that our coalesce function can sift through a list of values and return the first one that meets our criteria for validity. For example, if we pass undefined, null, and Waldo, our function should return Waldo because it is the first valid input. This code defines a function coalesce factory that takes a validation function and returns a customized coalesce function. The find method checks each argument in sequence and returns the first one that passes the validation. Here, the validation checks if the value is not null, undefined, or NaN. The function uses a combination of functional programming concepts, like closures, and the find method to streamline the process of validating inputs and selecting the first valid one. This approach is efficient and reusable. In this table, we evaluate the inputs step by step, using the validation function. For instance, in this first test case, the function skips over the invalid inputs until it finds Waldo, which is valid and thus returned. The ES6 version uses more modern JavaScript features like arrow functions and the spread operator for cleaner and more concise code. This approach simplifies function creation and enhances readability. This technique has numerous real-world applications. It ensures robust error handling and simplifies logic when dealing with default values, API responses, and configuration settings. In this lesson, we explored a practical approach to implementing a coalesce function in JavaScript. This technique is simple yet powerful, making your code robust and reusable in diverse applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.